Ato na gid siya. Grabe, God is so good. Umabot kami dito sa bahay with my family. Tapos hinatid ko sila sa taas. And yun, biglang may sumabog. Yun na pala yun. Alright? Thank you, Lord. So, ayun na nga guys, kung naalala nyo, nabutas itong gulong ko at pinarepair ko lang siya dahil nagkataon na it was Sunday and walang open na shop. And also when I asked the shop na pinagbilhan ko nito noon, is wala na rin silang stock. So I had no choice but to have it repaired. But as you can see now guys, wala talaga, hindi nagtagal at nabutas ulit. So it's not safe. I do not advise na ipa-repair nyo yung mga nabutas nyo na gulong sa sidewall. Mabuti na lang guys na yung kaibigan ko na si Mark Lee is nirecommend niya itong Good Ride na brand, which is I find it very nice kasi ang kapal niya, and during the installation masasabi ko talaga na maganda yung quality niya kasi etong mga mekanikong to nahirapan nga sila sa pag-install ng tires sa mugs ko. By the way, ang shop na napagbilhan ko ng bagong tire is itong Wheel Masters, located dito sa Mabolo, nasa harap ng SM City Cebu. And yung recommended brand nila is etong Good Ride. Very affordable and very nice quality. So ayan, thank you for watching and thank God safe yung family ko while driving the repaired tire. Thank you Lord for keeping us safe. I'll see you on my next vlog guys. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.